Alright, so today we have a short video. Today we are going to talk about how you can create a collider inside Fluid Dynamics. So if I go to my 3D container, so what you can do to create your own custom colliders in your Fluid simulation. So here we have our container. If I play this, you'll get this default smoke, and I'm going to make this to 40 just so we have good resolution, and I'm going to make the boundary XYZ to none, just so the smoke passes through the container. I don't want it to be trapped. Alright, one more thing that you can do is change, instead of having a static bounding box, you can change it to auto resize, and that way it will automatically resize it to wherever the simulation is going, wherever the smoke is going. Alright, so let's close this, and let's go into the content details. Let's make the smoke to a bit better. Let's add a bit more noise in here, and some swirl to maybe like 4, and I think that should be enough. Alright, this looks good. So to create a custom collider, what you can do is take any object that you want. For example, a sphere. This will be our subject, and if I play this now, you won't see any collision because we have to define that the sphere is a collider. So what you can do is select the sphere, select your 3D container, and go to Fluid, and here you'll find Make Collide. Just click on this. You can also open up the parameter where you'll find the tessellation factor, how much tessellation you want, and I'm going to hit apply and close. And if I play this again, here you'll find that the smoke collides with our sphere. So you have something like this, right? So I'm going to make this about 150. And you have nice collision going on of your smoke with your sphere, right? So this looks quite nice. You can do this with any primitive that you want. If you have your own custom model or something like that, you can do that. So yeah, this is how you can create your colliders. If you want something different, like for example, if you have a plane, assuming you have a ground floor where you want the smoke to be collided with, what you can do is you can select this, select this, and go to Fluid, Make Collide. The problem here is the smoke is going up. Instead, we want it in the negative y direction. So you can select the bounding box here and go to Dynamic Simulation, and here you'll find the gravity, which has been set to positive 9.8. So I'm just going to add a negative value of it, and that's it. So if I play this again, and there you go. So now you have smoke colliding with your plane. That's very nice. Alright, so yeah, that's it. This was a pretty short video. You can have fun with this, play around with this, and there are a lot of different things that you can do. Like for example, if I have something like maybe a division of 8 and 8, and I guess you can select some faces like this, and I'm gonna change this, and let's hit extrude. Let's turn off the key faces together, and let's change the offset down to somewhere about here. Let's extrude this again, and not too much, I guess, and delete. Right, so there you go. So this is our overall sphere, and inside we have our emitter. So what I'm going to do is make this as a collider. So I'm going to select this, and make collide, and there you go. So let's hit 5 to get into the shaded mode, and let's hit play. Right, and the smoke is now, I'm going to hit 4 just to see how the particles are reacting to this, and the sphere is getting filled with this particles, right? You can see a little bit of smoke trying to get out from the holes. So you can do something like that if you want to create a cage maybe, and then the smoke is coming out slowly. Try having a bit more resolution into it for that, and let's take a torus, let's make it 2, and let's bring this up. Let's select this, make collider, let's play this. Right, there you go. I think we should have a bit more higher. Let's maybe increase this to 0.4 maybe. Alright, so let's play this again. Now it's too big. Let's maybe give it a rotation, and there you go. Right, so you have nice collision going on here. So you can use your colliders to create much more amazing fluid simulation with this, having a bit more extra into your scene. So that's it for this one. It's a pretty basic and simple thing. So have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next video.